Hello world, welcome back to another BCACTF 3.0 write-up video. In this video, we'll be walking through the crypto challenge really secure algorithm. Let's get into it. As BCA students, we are always pushing the limits of existing technologies. Today, I had a breakthrough and created a really secure algorithm. Can you see if it's secure or not? So they give you a little file.txt. I forgot to download it, so let's go ahead and do that. Open it up. And you'll notice it's just a pretty standard RSA challenge. Now, that being said, we've done these ad nauseum at this point, and they give you all the values you really need to be able to just do this on your own. You don't even need RSA CTF tool. You can simply use one of the mini scripts that I've provided in previous RSA challenges. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we got here, of course, because I'll still walk through it, of course. And we have the ciphertext, right? So I defined C there. And then we have our exponent, which is 65537. And then we have P and Q. Now we know N is the product of P and Q. And phi is the product of P minus 1 times Q minus 1. So in order to calculate D, of course, we do the inverse modulus of E and phi. So we do pow e to the negative 1, which is 1 over E, mod phi. And then our flag is just going to be our ciphertext to the D, which is the private key essentially, and then mod N. And then this last bit right here, I'll tell you exactly what that does. Here, let's just run it as is, and we'll just say plant flag here. If you leave it as is like this, it's just going to print a decimal. Now, normally with these challenges, it prints the flag out in plain text, but they added in an extra little step here. If you notice, you can actually break up this decimal number into readable ASCII values, right? 98 and 99, 97, they're all readable. 116, 102, again, all readable ASCII characters. So I found a little thing on the interwebs. I think I pulled it from Stack Overflow, which basically converts this long string into readable ASCII characters, because usually you have, spaces breaking up your decimal numbers, but in this case, they're all squished together. So you need to have like a function that can kind of determine whether a character, a decimal number a group of numbers in here make up a decimal number that can be mapped to a character. And that's all this little nifty statement here does. So that being said, let's go ahead and actually execute it with that statement. And there's our flag. Well, this is awkward. So let's submit that. All right. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Turn on post notifications to get regular injections of cyber content directly into your feed. Check out our Patreon, join our Discord, and follow us on Twitter. Links in the description box down below. And leave any feedback or questions in the comments section down below. This is Almond Milk. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.